Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to generate questions based on YouTube videos. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to do this. So I have my ChatGPT account open right here. And let's say I have a video that I'm going to share with my students and I want them to answer some questions about it. This video here, what are options? And so I'm going to scroll down and go to the bottom here and find Show Transcript. Then in the upper right corner, we will see the transcript. Now you might see it with timestamps, or you might see it without timestamps. In this case, we want to use it without the timestamps. Simply going to highlight all the text of the transcript and copy it. And now go to ChatGPT and say, can you generate some questions based on the following transcript? I'm going to paste in the transcript, hit go, and let ChatGPT generate some questions for me based on that video transcript. And we'll scroll down, and there it is. Sure, here are some questions based on the provided transcript. And if I like it, hey, let's give it a thumbs up. And you can see there, I want to copy it to my clipboard, or might want to simply highlight it all and copy and paste it manually into a document. So that's how you can generate questions by using ChatGPT for just about any video you find on YouTube. As always, for more things like this, including how to do the exact same thing with Google Bard, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.